Don't look, I'll be announcing this at the end of the video. What up, YouTube? It is Mike from Mountain Slayers. I am here to do a quick tour of the facilities. You know, it's been a little while. I haven't made a video and I don't want to say how long. But that's why right now I want to say, not that. What's up? How are you guys doing? Leave a comment what you are working on right now down there. What's your project? What's your passion? Maybe you haven't started yet. What do you think you're working on? What do you think you're going to be building? Let me know. Sun's about to go down here, so I don't have much daylight. But let's get started with not what's behind me, but what's now behind me. This is my trusty steed. So this is a 2014 Ford F-150 XLT. It's got a 5.0 V8, four-wheel drive. I have power stop brakes on it. They're great for towing. My old calipers were locking up and just dying one by one, so I went ahead and got some power stops. Pretty happy with the performance of those. Other than that, it's completely stock. On the back, I still have my stock brakes. I need to change those soon. They need to last until December, because my rears are back ordered. So this right here is a new addition. Actually, I'm not gonna go. In here, we have the BMW M3.
You won't have any trouble recognizing which building it is. It's the one that's changed to the red. If your headlights are on,
So this is a 4.0 V8. It revs to about 8,200 RPM stock. You can get tunes, rev it to like 86, 414, 420 horsepower, something around there. Absolute ripper. That car screams. And the best thing about M3s is they're balanced. That car you can spin the tires. In reality, it likes to take off at the edge of grip, and it likes to stay at the edge of grip. Confidence inducing anywhere you drive it. Such an amazing car. You can corner in that car like you can straight line in other cars. That's about the gist of it. My particular model is a 2011 E93, so it's a convertible, a little bit heavy. Everybody lets me know. They don't let me live that down, but I like it. Yeah, I love it. I love that car. Yeah. This right here is the 05 LGT. This car is H6 swapped. Everything's in, everything's connected. This is a cool car. It's not quite running yet. Power steering isn't in. 5-speed glass box transmission with a 212 horsepower, 220 horsepower, a Subaru EZ30. This is gonna be a fun car. Very fun. Full interior. That's cool. Alright, now we come over to the Spec B swap. This car is one that I am most excited about. This right here is a 2001 JDM EZ30. Behind it is a JDM Legacy Spec B 6-speed. That transmission is the same as an STI transmission, except for longer gears. It's got longer gearing. That's the only difference. Aside from the later STI transmissions. It's got no DC-CD. So that should be a simpler setup and cheaper. If everything goes well, I get this tuned up, and I can afford to keep it, I will be boosting this. I'd like to hit about 350 wheel horsepower. That'd be really cool. Car is completely gutted. Right now I don't have a radiator for it. Underneath, I've painted a lot of it. I need to come in through and sandblast any of this surface rust away. I'm going to do a full restoration on this entire car. It's going to be OEM plus. STI short throw shifter. I have some Momo seats. I need to put the axle in. I need to put the hybrid axles I need to build. I need to put those in. I have bushing kits. I need to take that rear diff out, put my new rear diff in, and drop that subframe, put all new subframe bushings in, get rid of all this surface rust, coat the entire thing. These are rally tires. Got these for free from the Subaru community. A shout out to the rallying community. You guys are awesome, completely awesome. Stage ralliers are a serious bunch, but rallycross guys are friggin' cool. And there's nothing wrong with being a serious bunch. I love a serious bunch. Okay, now we're gonna get into the projects. Okay, this is a 2001, I think, Subaru Outback EZ30 LL Bean edition. This right here is a car I bought to sell. I am an idiot. I just dump money into cars. Fuck me. Flat tire. Aside from that, everything looks decent. I already ordered replacement panels. Gotta fix that. I'm just gonna cut that out. I already have the replacement cut out. Automatic. Mufflers in there. Of course, yeah. Mufflers on the car. It's in the car. So recently got an inspection. It's a good car. It's definitely a good car. The seller said that the brakes were all seized, and turns out the brakes were great. Okay, so now we're moving into the backyard. This is where I keep some of the other projects. I keep my chickens. Chicka-chickos! Oh, you guys need water. So back here is my... Well, I guess we'll get to this one first. Right here, my BMW 535i. No, 525i. It's got an inline 6. I believe it's the B25 motor. But a great motor. Yeah, they took this motor. Oh, this is my junk pile, by the way. I took this out of my yard truck. And ignore that. Ignore my pile of junk. Don't look at that. Alright, anyway. 525i. 2002. Great car. The ECU, I don't believe, is communicating with any of the systems. So it does not have any check engine light, and I don't think it can have a check engine light because the ECU is simply not responding. Fantastic. So that makes it great for rally. So you can put it in stock class. Do really well. 5-speed transmission. Don't know how good those are, but whatever. I mean, it's fun. Fun little car. And the tires hold air, which is fantastic. Better than a lot of the other cars. So, yeah, it's been sitting and getting dusty and getting pitch on it. I need to move it. I'm sorry. I want to sell it. Probably gonna. I fixed up all the rust, and then I just let it sit here. So I'm stupid. There. Let's move on to this car. Parts car. Not very interesting. 2001 Subaru Outback LL Bean edition H6 3.0. I stole all the parts from this, and I am still stealing parts from this for other cars. I'm also parting it out. This car. This is not mine. This is Spencer's. This is Spencer's 2000 something. 2001 maybe? I don't know. I'm saying all these cars are 2001s, but they're probably not. This is a 2001 Subaru Outback inline 4. Nope. 2.5 NA with a 5-speed. This is his rally car. Right now, for some reason, it won't run. He replaced the fuel pump. He did spark plugs. He had it running on starter fluid. I think the ECU was bad. That's what I'm gonna say. We did a compression test, did great compression. Sounded all right when it ran. I think the ECU's bad. So we're just gonna go standalone on that. We both want to teach ourselves how to do mega squirt. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna teach each other that God damn it, I can't say, it's so weird to say. Weird. MS. We're just gonna teach each other MS. It's still weird, I can't say it. Okay, anyway. We'll get to that one in a minute. Here we go. Fart card. You guys know this car. This car has been featured in a lot of things. I thought you were gonna whip right around. So the fart cart is just chilling at home right now. Fart cart. I don't know what to say about it. Every time I start it, it sounds horrendous. It just sounds really bad.
I don't know. I think it's still tough.
She's like bread that's been left in the toaster a little too long, yeah.
Yep. My damn screwdriver.
Master key, I don't know, man. Somewhere around there. It should be right there, shouldn't it? Pretty sure I saw it. I definitely looked in there and saw it recently. Maybe I took it away because I was like, this doesn't need to start anymore. Woo!
That game does not like that. So loud.
I just don't know what to do with it right now. In fact, it has a battery in it, which is weird. I just don't know what to do with it. Oh, the oil is really sparkly. So yeah, it's bearings. It's got bearing problems. So this fart cart just chilling here. No windows. Yeah. I was going to take this interior until I have a better interior now. But I was going to take it. Now here, we have a parts car, 05, something like that. That's a recent inspection sticker. It's a shame it's a parts car now. But yeah, she's pretty tethered. And there's also a family of rats in here. But most of the time, I'll look in here, and there will be a big old rat just swirling in there. So that's fun. So this car is a parts car. I got it for free. Facebook Marketplace. Good find. Free car. Always good. I took the back off of it and put it on a different car. If you touch that rear hatch, it'll just fall off. Alright, this has a big old winch in it. I need to get that out there. Okay, now we come to my auction car. It's actually great. It just needs like brakes or something. So I think I'm just gonna sell this, just flip it. Be good. So it's a good car. It's a 2007 Chevy Trailblazer with 135,000 miles. Good car. It used to belong to a fire department, so probably taken care of well. The sun's going down. I'm losing sunlight. Here we have another vehicle I got at auction. 2004 Volvo XC70 all-wheel drive, 161,000 miles with a rebuilt title. This is just another car I bought to flip. It's nothing special about it. I don't even think I'm gonna make a video about it because I don't usually make videos about my flip cars. Just too much work. I have tons of footage of flip cars. If you guys want to see some flip car footage, let me know. I've even thought about doing like a reality show style where I tell you how much I spent, how much I made, how quickly I did it, my crunch time. Dramatic. honestly, I push it sometimes. I will like put the car up for sale with a couple of things needed to be done to it, and I'll have like people coming to see it, and I'll be finishing the car off. Oh, I hate the way I do this to myself. But I'd also like to make some quick honorable mentions to my cars up north. I'll put those in right now. How could you forget the 78 Bronco? Rocking a 351M motor with a recent rebuild, I might add.
Oh my god.
Holley 4-barrel double pumper carb, 4-speed manual. Then we've got the 1986 Jeep CJ7. It's got an inline 6. Honestly, I couldn't tell you what it is, but she'll take a licking and keep on ticking. It's got a manual transmission, the piece de resistance, the 40-inch small blockers. The sun's going down outside. I want to thank you guys for joining me for my little tour of the facility here. And now we can get into the giveaway. This is the DeWalt 108-piece mechanics tool set. To enter, you have 4 steps. Like, comment, subscribe, and lastly, share the video on some sort of social media. That's all you gotta do. In 2 weeks' time, put the date right here, I'll ship this out via USPS priority mail. This is just my token of appreciation for hanging out watching the channel. So, thank you guys for giving me an outlet for my creativity, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween. Peace out.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, no, they're not supposed to be here for another 20 minutes. What? You didn't see that, did you? That's not your Christmas present. I'll be announcing a giveaway. Hey guys, Mike with Mountain Slayers here. I'll be announcing a giveaway. Here you have the DeWalt 108-piece tool set. In front of me you have the DeWalt 108-piece. In front of me you have the DeWalt. In front of me you have the DeWalt 108-piece mechanics tool set, complete with 3/4-inch sockets, 1/2-inch sockets, and extensions, that screwdriver socket thing. All sorts of bits to get you going. There's star bits, there's normal bits. Wow, there's Allen keys. Oh man, it's a lot. That, I think drills, maybe? I don't even know. There's little sockets. Oh, look at that, a drill bit extension. Oh, adapters. It's a good kit.